everyone, welcome to IEMLabs. My name is Vishakha Priya and today we are going to discuss about Amazon Route 53. So Amazon Route 53 is basically a highly available and scalable DNS web service, that is domain name system. It is designed for developers and corporates to route the end users to internet application by translating human readable domain names, for example www.example.com, into the numeric IP addresses that computers use to connect to each other. So we are going to discuss all this in more detail. So let's get started. So first we will start with the introduction of Amazon Route 53. So as I said, Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable domain name system web service. Route 53 connects user requests to internet application running on AWS or on premises. So we can use Route 53 to perform three main functions, and these functions can be performed in any combination. So first one is register domain name. So our website needs a name such as example.com, and Route 53 let us register a name for our website or web application known as domain name. The second function is route internet traffic to the resources for our domain. So when a user opens a web browser and enters our domain name or subdomain in the address bar, Route 53 helps connect the browser with our website or web application. The third function is check the health of our resources. So Route 53 sends automated requests over the internet to a resource such as a web server to verify that it is reachable, available and functional. We also can choose to receive notification when a resource becomes unavailable and choose to route internet traffic away from unhealthy resources. Moving to the next slide, now we will discuss about the features of Route 53. So the first one is easy to register our domain. So we can purchase all levels of domain, for example .com, .net, .org, etc. directly from the Route 53. The second one is it is highly available. Route 53 is built using AWS infrastructure. Its distributed nature towards DNS servers help to ensure a consistent ability to route application of end user. Third feature is scalable. Route 53 is designed in such a way that it automatically handles large volume queries without the user's interaction. Next one is can be used with other AWS services. Route 53 also works with other AWS services. It can be used to map domain name to our Amazon EC2 instances, Amazon S3 buckets, Amazon other services. Second is health check. Route 53 monitors the health of the application. If an outage is detected, then it automatically redirects the user to a healthy resource. Next is, it is very cost effective. We pay only for the domain service and the number of queries that the service answers for each domain. It is very cost effective. The next one is secure. By integrating Route 53 with AWS, there is complete control over every user within the AWS account, such as deciding which user can access which part of Route 53. Moving to the next slide, now we are going to study the routing policies that Route 53 provides. So when a record is created, it is required to choose a routing policy to determine how Amazon Route 53 respond to queries. So the first policy is simple routing policy. So it is used for a single resource that performs a given function for a particular domain. The next one is weighted routing policy. Weighted routing policy is used when multiple resources are there for the same functionality and the traffic required to be split between the resources based on some specific weights. Next is latency routing policy. So it is used when the resources are in multiple AWS regions and the traffic needs to be routed to the region that provides the best latency. Next is failover routing policy. The use of the failover routing policy is to create an active passive setup. This means that One of the site is active and serves all the traffic at a time while the other disaster recovery site remain in standby mode. Next is geolocation routing policy. The geolocation routing policy uses the geolocation routing policy to route the traffic as per the geographic location from where the DNS query originated. Next is geo-proximity routing policy. So with the use of geo-proximity routing, Amazon Route 53 routes traffic to the resources based on the user's geographic location and resources. The next one is multi-value answer routing policy. So multi-value answer routing policy can be said as a simple routing policy, but in response to the DNS query, it can return multiple values such as IP address for the web address. So that's all for today. I hope you like our video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.